Say hi. Hey guys, again welcome to my vlog.
What's the number?
Hey guys, again welcome to my new vlog. Like this time we are going lake for swimming. Again I am with my friends Ugg, Daniel and of course the funny guy Charlie. So we are going Esbanov to take the train number S2. So we can go. Yeah, S2 is the train.
Okay.
We have to go with that. As I know, like there is 7 stop. It's R basically. So we're gonna go. So we're gonna get over there after catching S2.
I
Feel a lot of cold. So you are. You do want. Do you
I'm
want to?
freezing.
Do you want to say like you are not ready for swimming?
I'm not ready for something.
Swimming, not something.
I'm not.
It's okay. So here is our third partner. Why bye? You have to say hi. We are going for
Bye
swimming.
bye, you go swim.
Charlie.
We want to do some crazy thing.
So catch you there.
这个地方走过去可能就是2-3分钟就到湖边了。
So we are at Esbanov. So how are you feeling, man?
Nervous. First time doing crazy things with 4 crazy people.
Yeah. So how you are feeling, Charlie? You should be honest about that thing because by the way he is not gonna swim, he gonna take care of our stuff and he is the one behind camera. Man, there is the man behind the plan.
Yeah. I will back up you guys and I will make the fire to make you warm.
So
And
basically
actually today is a quite a tough day.
Yeah.
Very freezing outside, very wet. And
we
then
need some fire.
yeah.
So how you are feeling about that? Like, do you able to swim at once?
Yeah, I can feeling that at the finally all of us can jump in the water.
So basically we are decided to jump in the water together.
No, basically we final log decision to jump in the water. So let's go to this lake side to see what's the weather like.
No, not about
And
the
Tapu
weather.
will be the first one to jump in.
Okay, I will jump first. Let's do this challenge and accept the challenge. I'm accepting the
I
challenge.
will make one leg in the.
But I am accepting the challenge of Daniel. I'm gonna jump first and he gonna stay in water for 3 minutes. Done? Done? Okay.
Yeah.
He said done. Okay, done. Let's do it. You are also listening, right? You are also agree on this.
No.
Oh,
Special.
Day 4, Tapuso.
So I
will
already-
be more quite long than us.
yeah, like 7 minutes. Okay.
I said I'm gonna jump
No.
first. I'm gonna
No.
jump. Man, I'm gonna jump
We are
first.
going to bring you
Oh man,
to
no,
the lake.
this is not a thing. This is not a thing. Maybe this is called cheating.
Drowning inside.
You are doing cheat with me. You are doing cheat on me. So basically, I accept the challenge. I'm gonna jump the first, and he gonna stay 2 minutes in water, and he gonna stay 3 minutes in water. So remaining one is for me.
You can make races underwater. So you
3
have
minutes
no
minus.
I'm out.
I'm sorry. 3 minutes minus 3.
Okay.
Okay for more than 10 minutes, but just my lower body.
Oh. Tell.
From 2 until my knee. Yeah.
Okay. This is the train. We're gonna go. Let's go. This is only, man. This is only. Catch you soon. Once we reach there, we have 7 stations from here.
You the crazy
And
guy.
7 station.
You're the crazy
Yeah.
guy.
I am the craziest one. So we got the train and we 7 stations.
Liebe Fahrgäste, herzlich willkommen in der S3 nach Geithain über Neukirch und
So catch you there at 7 station after 7 stops. Literally, we are like going to jump in a water, and it's totally freezing outside. And he is asking for a number of an ambulance, an emergency number,
Yeah.
in case.
The number of ambulance.
No, let's Google it.
Yeah,
Maybe Charlie would find it. We don't gonna find for us.
I can't speak German,
But you can speak English.
even English. I think I'm the worst of us.
Not like that, man. Find that number soon. Google it. Maybe we can find it on Google.
Yeah, okay.
Daniel is ready to do all possible things to dive in today.
Yeah. Think I'm a very good forecasting. Who will be the first time?
I have already accepted your challenge. I'm gonna dive first. Let's do it. I will do that. Don't worry. I will first dive it.
Yeah, yeah.
Nächste Station.
没红灯。这还有一个。
开个玩笑哎，开个玩笑。
We reached our stop.
Yeah.
He went outside. This is our basically stop. We need to start walking. Where is Charlie? So we are going toward lake. Guys, we need to walk fast so we can be there as early as much as possible. Yeah, shall we start walking fast? Because you guys, as I know, you guys have your class, so you want to be there, right? Before 5.
How long it takes for walking?
Maybe 20 to 15 minutes or half an hour. Because as now we know the as we now know the like land or way, we can reach there like before that. So this are the Charlie is our guide. He gonna guide us with road. So basically these are the roads we're gonna go from this. Last time we came to see the sunset over here. Now we came here to swimming. मजा आने वाला है guys. The two who encourage me to do swimming, to dive in. मजा आएगा, देखते धीरे धीरे क्या होने वाला है. I have sent you something. You can check on your WhatsApp.
What's up?
Yeah, I have sent something on the WhatsApp.
It has a pool.
Yeah, they has a pool.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Should you want? Should you want to go there? Like,
Actually, we go
yeah,
there.
it is a swimming pool.
Yeah, we go there. Because he didn't want us to go there.
Did you saw the video?
Wow, a lot of people here. So that's why I think these people are go to swimming
Yeah.
in the pool.
No. Funny dog.
明天
Did you like the video?
I'm shocked.
You see your eyes? You blink a lot. I was like, oh man, he's blinking within a second for 2 times.
How dare
I
you?
was like, actually, I was calling you by, hey, look at here. I want to make you a video,
Yeah,
but like
because
when I saw you are in something else, like let me make his video. I'm gonna show him like how much time he blink like this.
For sure. Let me check.
Charlie, I need you, man. Why are you walking all alone? You need to say anything. Like,
See,
if what we go, we catch hold. So how you gonna revive us? How you gonna help us?
In China we have a say.
活该. what that mean?
You deserve.
Oh my god! Like how if I am like I'm catching cold inside the water, how you gonna tell me to serve inside that? How I gonna serve inside the water? You do whatever you want. I'm not gonna do anything.
His meaning is because you made this decision, so you need to bear the consequence.
What you said? What you said, Daniel? Can you repeat again? I made the decision.
Yeah, you made the decision.
He is the guys behind the literally he created the group and he encouraged us. I want to do the swimming. Let's go, guys. I want to swim. Then I said let's dive in for once.
Let's start.
Yeah, not die. Let's die in.
Yeah,
For the
because
first
it's
time.
your birthday,
Yeah,
so
man.
I just create a good to do something special, and that you
I'm
made the
gonna-
decision.
I'm
And
gonna-
finally you made it, so we go with you to do this.
I'm gonna cut my.
I'm very happy to you play
Charlie!
with you. Charlie, be careful.
Be careful. It's okay. He want to give you some. What can say? Not stop. They lift.
Charlie's meaning is to
Take a lift from
to
anyone.
take the risk of the consequence. Yeah, that is because it's Daniel's decision.
Yeah.
This is not that cool.
Let's. Charlie. Pizza side. Those are not made for throwing, Daniel. Those are not made for throwing, man. Huh?
You want to
No.
here?
What is this? Yeah. Hey man. No. Let's go. शमशान में आ गए भाई. No, not afraid. We have to dive in something else. आगे पूछा डर गए. So basically, we make a team up. Daniel, are you ready?
Yeah.
This time, we're gonna hit them, guys.
Well, you hit me just now.
Because you hit me a lot, man. बर्फ का गोला. Guys, finally we reach here. So beautiful place, man. So beautiful place. Hi, Ag.
Wow.
Hi, Daniel.
We are ready to swim.
Yeah. No, I need more. Big one. Big one. I need big one. I need a big one. Please side. Man. Wow. This is my mind behind every strike. Big? Thanks, big, very big.
I don't have any power.
Hamla! Daniel, man, it's just a beautiful place. This man is still collecting snow to throw at me. Ah, yeah.
I'm not a bad guy. I'm the worst guy.
He's coming again. Yeah. Now you're gone, Daniel. Now you're gone. Oh, Charlie. Yeah. Very bad throw. Oh, very bad throw, man. Let's quiet now. It's enough. No, Daniel. I'm literally doomed now.
Don't eat the sugar.
No, I don't want to eat anything, man.
Eat the-
I don't know.
it's
No,
ice cold.
you can eat it.
Are you
can do
are you
that.
brother?
No, bro. No, bro. No, bro. No. You can eat it. Charlie, I can throw it. Charlie! Oh, thanks.
This is weird.
Thank you.
Yes.
Charlie hit him! Charlie hit him! Charlie hit him! Charlie, you can hear, man, how is hitting? He is the red dog! He was remaining Charlie! Oh my god! Just miss I just missed. So we reached near lake. So we have to find some place. It's not that much cold, Daniel. He's checking the water. Oh my god. Oh man, no! No, Daniel! Nothing to do with this, man! You are really... Boy. This is my friend Daniel. Oh man.
So,
Some ice on my
yes,
phone.
I'm your good friend.
Okay. Finally we reached. You can see my eyes. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi.